Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. In today's video, we are cooking
What are we cooking? I don't know the name also.
chicken yakni pulao.
Yakni pulao.
Have you ever eaten it?
I've never heard of this name. Leave eating it.
I have never neither eaten nor cooked it before. I have just seen Farah Khan's recipe. I think that was her first video on YouTube. So ever since then, I always wanted to try it, but then I forgot about it, and recently it started appearing on my feed again. So let's try
go
our
and
hands
see
on
how
it.
it is. Yeah. Is it difficult? How long? Hey,
No.
Chestu. Not doing that. Come here.
It should take, I think, around 15-20 minutes only.
So
It
make
is like
this
a
yakni pulao.
yakni pulao. I think it's from naam sunke to it feels like it's from Lucknow, though I'm not sure. Sorry, no offense to anyone watching from Lucknow, but yeah, kidhar se hai we'll find out
We'll
and
find
we'll
out
let
at
you
your
know
house.
by the end of the video. So it's more like a one pot meal. So chicken is here, and I have also soaked some rice.
कम नहीं लग रहा है क्या ये सब?
No, it's good enough. And sliced some onions and green chilies. And also, this is the first time I'm not going to be adding any turmeric to my biryani or rice
Why like
or
that?
pulao. It does not have that. So now let's go ahead and start cooking.
What are we doing first, baby?
First, we will fry the onions.
Dalo oil, dalo. You know, some of them they put that butter. इतना oil?
इतना नहीं है यार बेबी का बटर नॉट इन राइस not in rice.
हाँ क्या?
चलो now
गरम तो होने दे.
होएगा
Hmm.
now adding the onions.
Don't forget ginger garlic paste. Huh?
Yes.
I always make sure I tell her this. Chilies leaf.
Yes.
Give me the spoon. Root. Now adding some ginger garlic paste, and baby is getting some promotional call. Always while cooking. I like to do this.
But you have to agree, ever since we have started cooking, जैसे interest आ रहा है cook करने में.
I was always interested in cooking, but sometimes, or most of the time rather, I like to do it alone. I don't like her being around, not because I don't like her presence, but what happens is ये साफ होना चाहिए, वो साफ होना चाहिए. Immediately after cooking, the spoon has to be washed. That's something I can't
Not
do.
only the spoon, I usually clean all my cooking utensils before I eat so that after
I do it after everything is done. खाने के बाद, सोने का, उठने का, और फिर धोने का.
खाने के बाद I get very lazy, so then that's the reason I prefer to cook immediately after, wash the utensils once I'm done cooking.
Now what to do next?
Let it
And of course, we have Chestu Bubu here. He's always here. Charlie Coco are sleeping. I'll show them to you later.
This is still going on.
While cooking, who feels hungry? He took the laddu dabba and he's gone.
Yeah, what do I say? What do I say? क्या बोली? क्या बोली?
I said khana banate banate he started feeling hungry, so he's taken the
अरे
laddu
these
ka dabba.
laddus my mother-in-law made, my sweet mother-in-law made for me, so I want to have that.
For me.
For me she made, not for you.
वो burn हो रहा है. गायब क्यों हो जाता है? 15 मिनट का तो रेसिपी है।
Ready? 1, 2.
उधर ऑन है।
Oh.
ठीक है। Because of his laddu eating, थोड़ा सा अनियन जल गया है।
Put the blame on me.
Now I'm adding this chicken inside.
Without masalas?
Yeah. रखा है ना यहाँ पे स्पून। आयो। Still. Now we are adding garam masala to it. Give the spoon.
अच्छा ऐसे है क्या? बस कर दी।
1 spoon garam masala. No, darling, not like that.
क्या?
हाँ, sure.
हाँ वो भी कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा
चपटा
है।
मत कर. Good. Now we'll add this rice in it.
कुछ भी मसाला नहीं है इसमें।
No, only garam masala. I really don't know how it's going to taste. I hope it tastes good.
अरे कोई भी मसाला नहीं। चिकन पीस मस्त है। गुड।
Good.
अभी
So now the main ingredient for yakni, curd. We'll add all the curd because it itna hi hai. So let's add it now.
I'm having doubts, baby. I'm seriously having my doubts, baby. What is this?
That's what the recipe says, darling.
ये तो क्या बोलते हैं वो दही भात, हाँ दही राइस वही है और क्या है, सिर्फ चिकन एडेड है और ये गरम मसाला।
चलो. But the aroma so far is so good. बहुत मस्त आ रहा है. And the color, even if we have added only this garam masala, the color is looking good. So far, so good.
I still have my doubts.
Okay, so one more thing I'm going to add is, one second.
I hope more chicken.
No, potato.
Potato. Oh, with skin. Nice.
Yeah, with
I love potatoes with skin, not without skin.
And because of him only, I also started having it with skin. Now, final step to add water. So we took 2 cups of rice, so 4 cups of water. We have gone to a side now. Let me move the camera.
बंद करो।
नहीं ठीक है.
Sure.
One. How many cups we put?
One only.
1, 2,
2.
3, and the 4th one we will show you a close up. Chalo. Now we have to add some
Salt.
salt. So I'm adding some salt. And ideally we are supposed to add mint leaves, but we don't have mint leaves, so we'll add coriander leaves.
कट किया?
No, you have to chop it.
कितना चाहिए?
Yes. chop. I will be back. So we chopped the coriander. Chopped. I said chopped. Chopped. And also squeezing a little lemon in it.
सब डालो.
हाँ. Chalo. Now mix, 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 and keep it for 2 whistles.
Wait. मेरे को लगता है अभी after seeing all this I feel it will taste good.
Of course. It's Farah Khan's recipe. You met Farah Khan, no?
I met her at a mall, not mall, at a departmental store. So I'll tell you the
right.
story. No, I'll tell them the story. Wait. So this was when I was in 10. We just gave our exams, and we all boys were playing cricket. And then we were like, "Chal, let's go to the mart and buy some 7-Up after playing." So that place, it's called Star Bazaar in Lokhandwala. From our place is a good 45 minutes walk. So we walked 45 minutes, went into that mall, and we bought 2 7-Ups. And during that time, it was 1 pay 1 free. So, and it was for 45 rupees. So 45 rupees we all contributed, and we got 2 bottles, and we stood in line. In front of us, there were 3 trolleys, 3 aunties holding it up.
Thanks.
3 trolleys, 3 aunties, and in that there are 3 kids. And that time we didn't realize it was Farah Khan's triplets. And then
So they were also there.
they were there with their nannies.
Oh.
So they 3 were there with their 3 trolleys, 3 kids on the trolleys. And then walks in Farah, and we were behind them. Then, but I didn't realize it was her standing behind. And I told the cashier, है हम लोग का सिर्फ एक ही आइटम है 7-Up, सिर्फ बिल करके बाद में उन लोग का ले लो ना. And that's when even Farah saw us. He's like, हाँ उन लोग को आगे भेज दो. We went ahead and they said like, अरे you go, I'll pay the amount.
How sweet.
Yeah, so.
I hope she watches this video.
Oh, hopefully.
And we'll also invite her to our kitchen.
New kitchen.
She'll come and cook with us. So cool.
New kitchen. Now you never know, that will happen or that can happen. Today we are uploading this video. You never know, in few months, few years or few days, she'll come to our
But she's
place.
really sweet, huh?
She's very
To the
sweet,
home
yeah.
she's visiting. Very good.
Please come to our place as well, Farah. Would be nice.
Don't get anything. Don't sponsor us anything. You just come. We'll be happy.
Yes. Chalo, done? I put it.
Done.
Now, kitna whistle?
2 whistles.
Only?
2 whistles are done. But the cooker has not yet calmed down. Salad is ready. Onions for Rich, and this is for me. So once the cooker, what do you say, baby? What do you say? Cools down. Cooker क्या होता है थोड़े टाइम में?
सीटी मारता है.
सीटी मारना नहीं रे, like हवा से कुकर को थोड़ा ठंडा होने दे.
Cool it.
What do you? Thanks for the translation. I don't know what it's called. Like I said, cooker calms down. Like I don't know. What I meant was till the pressure settles down, because of course now you can't open the cooker. But I'm not able to find the term in English. Whatever, y'all understood, no?
Release air.
Yeah. So then we'll come and open it and show y'all how the pulao looks. But as of now,
I need my onions
Smells
are very
good.
nice. Good. Onions are it.
yeah, I already told them onions are there separate. Chalo.
All right. Okay, let's open. Oh, nice. Looks good. Looks like a bland pulao.
Now we
बिना मसाले का.
Chalo. We'll
Let's
serve
serve.
and we'll taste it now.
Oh yeah.
Smell बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है.
Give me a good piece. Potato, yes. Oh. Wow. Must.
See?
I want more. To the niche. I'll do.
You want chicken?
Yes, this piece. Leg किधर है? वही है ना? ये छोटा हो गया है?
Show them.
I eat salad. Where's my onions? अंदर रखा क्या फ्रिज में?
Because Charlie and Coco were there, so.
I don't. I'm taking the entire onions. You want onions?
No.
I don't like any other salad. I just like my onions. Which honestly I feel it's less. I need more later.
Chalo, we'll eat and we'll show you all how
Yes.
it's tasty.
Okay. Chalo. Why are you not eating with your hands? Why spoon? Baby पुलाव है वो. हाथ से करेगा घर का पुलाव.
Chill.
First you taste and tell me how it is. बहुत गरम है.
You eat. Eat
Baby,
now
यार
and
तो
give
मेरे
feedback.
सच में गरम है क्या खाऊं मैं?
That's why I took a spoon.
It's good.
It's
But-
good.
But it's plain. मतलब I'm used
Not
to eating masala
masaledar,
one, correct.
yeah, but it
it's
is a
good.
very good,
Yeah, yeah.
comfortable one pot meal.
हाँ,
Chicken
मस्त
is also tasting very good. If you want it more enhanced, maybe you can add a little more garam
है.
masala.
गरम मसाला, correct.
We really added a lot, but it's not that mild, but it's okay.
Potato nicely boiled. उसका taste
It's
अच्छा है.
tasting
yeah.
good. You
Very
guys
good.
also should try it.
Healthy भी है ना बोलते हैं.
Healthy bhi hai.
Hmm.
No matter.
चलो, we'll watch the middle now.
Chicken is also well cooked. वो दही का एकदम मस्त फ्लेवर आ रहा है.
It's
Good.
tasty. As long as it's chicken, I'm fine with anything.
Who is here?
Hello.
Hello.
Mama, good news.
What?
I am selected to be the narrator of a skit.
Wow. Oh, narrator and all. Very good.
It's on
Good.
Monday.
Monday? So soon?
They give you a script? Where is it?
I wrote it in my rough book.
Oh, nice. We practice.
Good. Congrats. Practice.
Thank
Chestu.
Recording
Recording done.
Oh, I can see that.
Vlog chalu hai.
Oh.
Recording done, and
Yes.
now it's time for a sweet nap.
For you, not for me. Because I have to go and drop Hriday first tuitions.
We'll see you in some time. Both of them are not letting me sleep.
I again are recording.
Making noise so much. How will I sleep? Chestu, yeah. Let Mama sleep. Show his nose. Hey, Boo Boo. Boo Boo.
Hey,
Chestu.
You not listen to listen to me.
Chestu.
My boo is my babu guji. And Hriday is back from his tuition. Cassie, why are you so happy?
Because tomorrow is a holiday.
Why?
Because we did a voting
What voting you did?
of that who wants a holiday and who does not want.
ऐसा कैसा voting रे?
Today holiday for tuition.
Yes.
Because school has holiday.
Yeah,
Say
for
like
Eid
that.
मैं voting beating बोल रहा है ना क्या voting है ये? What voting you had? Tell me.
So basically, there were 4 people. I was the 4th one. 2 people were siblings, so they chose holiday.
Okay.
And then that third one who was a first grader, he chose holiday. So I also chose holiday.
Oh, so you went with the majority.
And I also wanted a holiday.
Okay. Good.
If
Nice.
someone wants holiday, who does not want?
You want holiday?
No.
You want holiday?
No, Mama does not want holiday.
I wish I could go back to school.
No, I don't wish back. I don't wish that.
Me too.
You wish. Go.
I wish
What
that
me
I
too? You are already in school. What me too? You wish? Huh? क्या है इसका? Yes, you can say I wish to go to junior KG.
I really want to once wear my school uniform and go to school. You don't miss wearing your school uniform?
No,
really
I wanted to run away from that rut of wearing the same school uniform every day.
Too.
What me too? Me too.
Good job.
What you are doing? What are you applying?
Cream moisturizer.
Aren't you like too well dressed for someone being just at home?
Yeah.
I have a meeting. Bye. Only upper.
Mama, so weird.
You know, I'll be weird with you.
What is
Go
that?
use your mobile for some time. Go.
So guys, it's dinner time now, and for dinner I actually don't eat anything, but I have so much of rice pending, so I would not want to waste it. So I'll have a little of rice, just warming it up now. Sometimes I don't follow my diet. I hope my nutritionist is not watching this vlog. So now we are having our dinner. Only Hriday and I are having. He's not wearing a shirt. Why not wearing a shirt?
Because it's very hot.
It's hot. Okay. Dada's not eating today because he will have in some time. And we are watching Khatron Ke Khiladi. So we enjoyed the yakhni pulao, and more than that, we really enjoyed cooking it together. If you guys have any more suggestions, please let us know in the comments. I think the only thing next time what we'll do is we'll add a more of garam masala, or balance it with curd, like little less of curd. I think we added a more of curd, so yeah, the flavor was not that enhanced.
Correct.
But yeah, anyway, it was a really nice, easy go-to recipe. And thank you so much for watching this video.
Don't forget to like, share,
and
comment.
comment.
And of course, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe.
We will see you in the next video. Until then,
Bye.